Oh my goodness, I'm recording.
Let your body decide if
Day,
this is
na ako'y TikTok, day ako.
Hi, Drew.
YouTuber.
And
Hello,
welcome
hello.
to Rain Morena. Oh,
Thank you for
yep,
welcoming
sis.
me.
Yeah.
Am I your first guest? Wait, no. Like, are you guys co-hosts? Sure.
Unofficial. This is my unofficial co-host. Guys, today, if you don't know, this is my brother Day, our brother, Juvidane, our youngest brother. He is currently based in San Francisco,
Area,
United
Bay
States.
Area.
Bay Area. Okay, Bay Area. And Juby is our youngest brother. And then maybe how many years ago na? Niraga siya sa US.
7? Is
Maybe
it?
7 or 8.
I have no clue.
2018,
2018, diba?
7.
7 years. So 7 years ago, he flew to
That's
the
right.
US because he's an American citizen. So he's far from us. He went to the Navy. He got into the Navy, and now he's out.
I'm out. I'm
And
living my best
about.
life.
I love that for you. We love that for you, Zian.
Thank you, thank you.
And then, so today we wanted to um talk to you about your trip last summer, your brat summer. So we had a little reunion after. So if it was last year, it would have been. It was 6 years ago na since we last saw each other in person. So yeah,
Yeah.
6 years tayo magkita after you flew to the US. And then June last year on my birthday, you came here to the Philippines, to Cebu, Philippines. Like, how was it?
It was definitely an experience. Like I did not want to come back here. No,
Yeah.
yeah. It was so fun. It was like everything went so smooth, and like that's how it usually goes with my life. If you
Yeah.
guys,
Because even me, like I get worried sometimes of like when no, you didn't book you booked through kanang connecting flights na kanang dili in the same airline, but I'm like, girl, you're
yes.
gonna be running in the airport and stuff. Yeah, you check in po, di ba, like luggage and then good
Hmm.
luck sa pagkuha sa imong luggage. But then it worked out.
Yeah. Definitely. I know. I can't wait to go back there. No?
Tayo day. So what's it gonna feel when we got reunited again? Because we went to the airport to pick him up, like all of us in immediate family.
And imo tong first time na meet si Riser.
Yeah, you're not the
Actually, no.
youngest anymore.
I don't know. Kuan kay siya na feeling. I was like, it felt so like natural, but like it's new, but like I wasn't like, what is this? Na like, OMG, I have a little like sister, and like I'm back here, like I'm back there sa Philippines. Pero I don't know if it just felt like it made sense, you know? Wala ko na like na shock or anything. Like I felt like I belong.
Ah, part of the fam. Hey, ikaw, Day, how did you feel when you saw Dane again?
It was crazy. 6 years. You were a teenager. Paglarga mo. And then, last year, di ba? Kaya edad mo last year? 25?
24. I'm
Ay,
25.
Sabay siya sa year.
24 days.
Yeah, because he's born in
24.
2000.
So, like,
2000.
ang early years, imong 20s, like, spend mo sa States. So, I was excited for you to kanang experience the Philippines. Unya, mga young adults na ta ba? Young ka girl. Young adults na ta. And then, yeah.
Yeah. I
Make
thought
up for lost time.
true. And I thought I was gonna be like emotional because I'm always emotional. Like I'll be bawling, but like it was a happy moment, Manggod.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
It was more like, oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
yeah, like
It was like,
exciting. Yeah, so it was really like a happy reunion.
And then for the first time in a long time, kay mag family trip. Wala pa day.
Yeah, so maybe like mga one day na kay one day, no?
One
Before
day.
ta mag family trip to
Mhm.
Palawan. So it was gonna be my birthday on June 27, and then like you had a day to like reunite with
Limbs.
the limbs, with the cousins and
Yeah.
everyone. How was it
Tingnan
like
adto me.
meeting everyone again?
How was it meeting? Like I said, na like, kuan siya, more siya like, more
Natural,
siya,
Natural.
yeah, more siya gwade. It's like I
Ah,
never laugh.
Yeah. Pero
true.
sa yung feeling nga, nibalik ka sa ato ang childhood home, but like as an adult.
Um, to be honest, kuan,
Not gonna lie.
not gonna lie, yeah, because it looks different and everything. And then growing up, we went through like phases and different looking ang house nato. And like in that state, like in pag abot ako din ninha, and then it looked like that. I don't know. I just like I think the loss and connection of like, oh, like iba pa
Oh,
nang when you grow up, like, oh, I used to play there and whatever.
mm.
Like now that it looks different, like na
Like the
wala,
nostalgia of it is
yeah,
like
wala na
missing.
kaayo. Pero like na I like, like, oh, I miss
Mm.
like the place and whatever,
Mm.
the people. And I guess like nabaguhan ko, like
Mm.
I guess the people, I
Mhm.
think, and like the look of it.
Yeah, if anything, I like the people just remain the same. And then, so you stayed with me in my apartment for your whole
Yes.
trip.
Yeah.
That was so fun. That was fun for me. Like, so si Nick, he went to his home so that you can stay. Kinapaman
Mhm.
mi sa smaller na apartment ato nga nagstay. And then, um, he brought out, no, I think your friends gave you your sunny angels. Like I'm like, oh my goodness, that's a lot of sunny angels.
Briefcase of sunny.
Like that
Yes,
was,
yes.
that was so cute. And then like mga day to pag birthday na nako, okay. If you hear some shouting, that's just rice. So, um kanang on my birthday, we went to Palawan, our first. I think that's like one of my dreams, good best, to just travel with my siblings, get to experience other places, yeah, have fun. So that was really a dream come true. And then, yeah, complete na ba? Grabe, like, to be honest, kalain,
TBH. Like for TBH.
to be honest. Masaya na kita na. Pero to be honest, kanang, it was, like, I never thought, okay, maybe before that was like my dream, but then like some things happened. I thought na dili siya ma-happen na ba na dream na ma-reunite na tanan. So that was very surreal for me. Like, and then
Yeah.
it was like I really tried to take in the moment, like the whole experience of having everyone together.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then we went to Palawan. That was
Yeah.
so
And we had Jason with
fun.
us.
We were Jason. Our
Shout
adopted
out
brother.
Jason, our favorite cousin. Oh,
Hi,
Yeah. Oh,
Jason Lemon.
our
yeah.
sibling.
The best is the guy like
The film, film, big film sa mga TikTok.
yes.
Yeah, iconic to see Jason in every way.
And it was so fun to have him. Then nagkwanta, nagkanang island hopping sa Palawan. What was your favorite part of Palawan?
Have we talked about this before? I think na-ask na siya ng question.
Probably.
sa
But you
atong
can change your
mga,
answer. Just like, don't
um,
remember.
favorite part, I would say like, oh, of course, like us traveling as a family and again, as a whole. Pero like if it were like my favorite part,
Yeah.
like place, like um I think it would be the I don't know. It would definitely be the when we were making TikToks by the beach. That like the
Right.
whole like sunset, the
Oh my
beautiful
gosh.
background, the
Yeah.
ocean, the
Right. That
napalm
was
skies.
perfect.
Sabi na
That
ko
was
katog next sa'yo taog bini niya na tayo audience sa to.
That's what
people
yeah.
watching over it. I'm like, oh my gosh. Pero
Yeah. So that was eto nga summer was your brat summer, right? But also like beanie was like a big thing that summer. So it was like Pantropico,
I
sa pa like
know.
Lagi, everything.
salamin, you know. So we did a lot of that sa beach and then we made a lot of videos. That was fun. Unya. So the whole time, in your whole trip, I didn't have to think about what we needed to do ba kanang maglaag ta or kanang I need to take him out someplace. Okay, you're always out.
Every single day.
I was
Every day,
booked
like,
and
Last night
busy.
plan.
and then
Last
yeah, he
night
was
right.
booked and busy and then like
And
kanang
then,
muli siya ni kadlaw.
pero siya kadlaw niya na siya bago tattoo.
So tell us more
Oh
about
my
that.
gosh. Wait, what?
Tell us more about that. Like kanang dagat your friends, diba? Like are always you had a lot of
Yeah,
friends
like
inviting you to things.
I'm always kuan. So, meron ako yung mga like plans with other people and whatever, and then whenever I can fit anyone and whatever,
Yeah.
whoever is down, then I'm
Yeah.
down. You know me. And then it's crazy because like my like social battery never like died down over there. I'm like, OMG, I'm so down for anything, everything. Like we'd go somewhere in the morning and then at night they'd invite me to a club or like hang out at their place and then get a tattoo. Like I don't know,
Yeah.
everything just it was so nice being there. It was so free and
Aw.
like just knowing the island, the no, it was Cebu
Love
City, the
Island.
Yeah,
island.
totoo.
Island Cebu.
Yeah.
An island.
Knowing the like the place where I grew up and like and then like being to like navigate and like explore more, it was like really fun.
Yeah. Love that thing.
Iconic kung nag-angkas tatulo pa dong sa
Yeah.
dance.
Oh my goodness. Yes, my God, we took up dance classes.
Boy,
No, that was just one dance class, right? The best day. You were
That was so
natural
fun.
with the ass out. If mapuyo ka diri, is it like a possibility? Is it something that you want to live it here in like long term?
Of course, like um I don't of course I want to, but I don't know, I have to like weigh my choices and
Yeah.
like I just don't know my future.
That's fine.
So,
That's
like,
perfectly
yeah.
fine.
But I would want
Like
I want to live a million lives. I want to live
I
everywhere.
love
I'm so down to live there,
that.
grow up here.
I love that, and that's what I want for you, to be honest. Like, ano ko sa to be honest? If lang. Sige, lang.
No word ko ano siya.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the dream, to experience life to the fullest. You have so many experiences. That I feel like that's my form of success or like fulfillment in life is to have like so much experiences na kanang quality bitaw. And then you get to learn a lot from wherever you are and whoever you meet. And then they nag-House of the Dragon pag no? That was
nag-watch mo.
yeah, that was so fun. Like waiting for the next camera. For me, it was fun to have you ganan ko nga sa part nga dugay ka ni stay diri para bitong makalive ta dili ra laag like kanang
Experience.
to experience how it is to live together again as
Mhm.
adults ba. And then like same ato my interest. Like we went to the Beanie concert, which was
Oh
so
my gosh,
fun,
yeah.
diba? And then siya di kita sila like up front sa mga
front
Yeah.
like fun, silver ticket,
yeah.
Platinum.
platinum day.
Yeah, and then nag-watch me House of the Dragon, like mag-wait me for the next House of the Dragon episode. And then we also went to like mga art exhibit ni Tom. Um, we went,
Yeah.
yeah. We played badminton, diba?
Mhm.
Which is so
Ano
fun to do.
badminton?
Badminton, no, with Jason siguro
It was
to.
Jason.
Yeah, sa YMCA. But it was fun to do those things ba nga kanang, now that we're adults, di na bito siya kanang acting na jud ko. Like, we're friends. We're all
Mhm.
friends. And
It's yeah,
then,
it's so different. Like you wouldn't would I expect na like we would I guess like the being apart brought us
mm,
closer. Na like
yeah.
when we were there, I guess
Mm,
like mao na ang think jud ninyo like sibling lang or like ate,
mm.
anak, and then like 'di ba like I think it's like so different na like you get like you know your sisters or brother and then like makatalk mo and like maka-open up and everything like it's so nice to finally like get to be in that stage in life na same na mo og wavelengths and like
Mhm.
like it just makes I don't know sense na like OMG and then these are just like people
Mm.
and like me in different fonts like we live the same grew up the same like
True.
situations and stuff yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Because like nobody will get you more than your siblings, dude. Because we were there your whole life. You were,
Mhm.
and then like even di ba kanang ito kanang quote dahil nga murag mong parents kay kanang
Parents kay mo grow old sila. Then, usa ka na, kamo na sa mong sibling ang maka-understand sa each other kay kamo ra gyud ang same og experience growing up.
yeah. Look,
We have a special guest.
guys.
Say hi. Introduce yourself.
What's
What is
your
your
name?
name?
Hi, Rice.
Camera. What's your name? Annie, how
Me?
old are you?
I six.
You-
Aww.
Yeah.
Aww.
So,
You be.
what do you want to say to Kuya Jubilane?
Love you, Kuya. I miss you. I miss you, Kuya. I miss you, Kuya.
I miss you too.
Hindi ko lang go to Kuya Tam. You want to brush your teeth? Oh, later na.
Ay,
Later.
later na because first.
Oh, you have Pringles. You eat the Pringles. Oh,
There's Pringles
find
over
it.
there.
Na Pringles dira.
Pringles. Look for
Tara,
it.
tara.
You can do it. There. There.
Behind the
Behind
flower.
the flower, ate.
Likod
Behind
sa
it.
flower.
Dito ka sa gilong.
Oh, go there na.
Eat na before brushing your teeth.
Okay, so where were we? So I don't know if like this is okay to say, like, are you comfortable with talking about your like sort of coming out?
Yeah, I think I
Moment.
am. Yeah.
Okay, but we like you can talk about it, but you can just tell me if you don't want.
Mhm.
So it's something that I'm bringing up because it's such a big part of your life, obviously, because you didn't really you didn't really because we knew we kind of knew growing up like we've been knew
Mhm.
nga you're fruity.
Yeah, the closet was made out of glass.
Glass.
Yeah, like and then but everyone would ask us and then we wouldn't know what to say ba nga kanang I don't know. He said he had a girlfriend,
I know.
but I don't know. We didn't really have a
It
big
wasn't
opinion.
explicitly said, pero it was
Yeah.
implied.
Yeah. But then we didn't really have like a confirmation or anything. So what make about saying it to other people and then
Mhm.
but then like no rush was said for you because obviously you're still trying to figure out yourself and like life nga, big moves in going to the US. So
Mhm.
I felt like the difference between you here and then you going there, like even like that 1 year difference. Okay, like we really saw you express yourself more. Like when you were in high school there, like
Mhm.
you wore more like parang more what's it man, expressive clothes. like you had your hair colored and everything, and then like you wore mga crop tops, I think, or like ano
Ye-
mga more
mhm.
colorful na clothes. Like you were more expressive of
Free.
yourself and like sort of more free and liberated there compared to when you were here. Because here ka very
Yeah,
tayo, demure nga ka namin.
definitely like it was definitely the environment, na like it was holding me back to my full potential. Pero yeah, like growing up, like of course like the society and everything, like of course like mo ana sila na you're not supposed to be gay, of course. And then like me as like a innocent child of
Yeah,
God
Catholic
growing up in Holy
school,
Rosary School of Pardo,
going to praise
I'm
and
not
worship.
supposed to be gay. Why am I like this? So
Mm.
I'm like, let me be DL trade. Let me just kidding. Kuan na I had a phase na like I was like, yes, mag-uyab ko og babae, and then I will like
Really?
kuan jud like panindigan nako, and
Oh my
then
gosh. At
like
what age ka nag-think ko
First
ginana?
year,
See?
girl before grade
Grade
before
6.
grade
Oh
6,
my
yeah.
gosh. Cannot
And then
imagine.
to like kuan kay siya na to have a kid like think and make like
Yeah.
that type of like thoughts and
Mm.
decisions, like it's so
Yeah.
like I don't even know myself yet,
Yeah.
and
Mm.
like
Napaka
and
sa
to think like I think there's still
self-discovery.
people who are going through that, and
Of
like
course, nagid gyapon.
na like
Especially here sa
oh
Philippines.
married people, like married men na like
Yeah, for
With,
kuan,
sure.
with
it's
the
such a
lavender
kuan na issue.
marriages.
Lavender marriage.
Yeah, and especially I think here and I dira pod I guess prevalent jud siya na kuan. And then where was I going with this? Yeah, so I came here, and then yeah, I felt like of course I was in California, diverse, people were more expressive, the school was so accepting. So like it's such a different, even though like I went to like different schools there sa Philippines,
Mm.
which was like I met a lot of people, really expressive, but like I went to arts and
Yeah.
design in
Yeah.
University of Cebu, and then I
Oh.
met so many amazing people, and then they were like part of the community, and then like it just like opens your mind na, like there's like different types of people, and then like dili ra siya kuan ba, like it's a spectrum jud na like people
Mm.
aren't just like this or that,
Mm.
na like okay, growing up, imagine like, oh, bayot siya, bayot, like he's
Mm.
gay. And then like you'd think like, okay, like when you picture someone gay, it's like someone like with makeup or like who would
Mm. Cross-dress.
kuan, like yeah, cross dress and whatever. I'm like, I don't think I'm into that. Like that's not
Mm.
me. Like kuan kay siya ba na like
Mm.
dili siya talked about, or like
Mm.
wala kayo education growing up about it. So
Mm.
like I think it's really good now na like the awareness is really important
Representation.
for people. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I wish that I had that, like
Yeah, for
growing up.
sure.
So like of course like confused, you're still discovering yourself, and then there's this other thing, like other like issues and
Mhm.
stuff that I'm not aware of. Na
Like
like I
something like you
can
have to like sort of deny yourself,
yeah.
no?
Na like of like pug pugsun ka sa mga tao na like, oh, answer this question, like, are you gay or not? And then like
Mhm.
society's like, you can't be gay. So I'm like,
Mm.
of
What
course
do
I'm
you
gonna
want me
say
to
no. What are
say?
you talking about?
Mm.
Why would I say yes if like I know what the consequence is, of being
Yeah.
like part of the LGBT community.
Yeah. And I feel so bad for you and like the
Mhm.
people who have to go through that. Okay, like obviously it's tough. It's tough nagali to grow up, like growing pains, and then you have to figure that part out, like how
Mhm.
to sort of kind of like the journey of acceptance, no, of your who you really are. Then so pag na nakadira, that's when you decided to sort of like verbally come out to us. What made you do that? Because like I told you before, for me, like it had been like months or maybe weeks na makadamgo jud ko nga anytime na moingon din ni siya nga like, mo come out ka ba nga, I'm gay or like
Mm.
something like that. Like, di man sa need mo, but it was just something, I don't know, it was just like my kuan ba, my premonition talking. Like,
Mhm.
but what made you sort of do that?
When did I
I think that
contact
was
you?
like 20, because I was already in I already moved out at that time sa house. That was 2020.
So I was already in the Navy.
Yeah, you were. Yeah. Yeah.
And I think
So you were already posting
yeah,
mga
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. So
LGBT flags and stuff, and then wala pa ka
mhm.
ni verbally ingon ba. So when you said it out loud, like you didn't have to because you already knew, but also like it must have been sort of, I don't know.
Release.
What
Was it?
tell us. I
Yeah, yeah, at first like I was since like na ako dira when I was there, of course ako mindset kay yeah, I can't tell them whatever. Um or like I would like it's obvious that I have more girlfriends, I have more LGBT
Since
friends, and they would come over
kindergarten.
at house. It was so obvious, you know. So I'm like, there's something implied here, and that like I am part of this group, and like so like I didn't feel the need to tell you guys. Okay, I was like in the back of my head, I'm like, yeah, they of course they already know, and then like father,
Yeah.
yeah. So we're like binako ba na like kabaw obvious like that obvious good and then like there was a time when you told Ate Chloe told me na like oh ni asi papa na like oh as if, like bayad si Dane.
Mm.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Why do you need to
I was
ask?
gagged, sis. What do you mean?
Mm.
Anyway, um,
Maybe
so
it's sort of also like a journey for other people because no nga kanang like your family, not just like specifically in your story, but like for everyone na kind of going through what you had to go through kanang ilang families ba nga murag they have their own journey on like what or kanang maybe we just really want to know who you are bitaw.
Okay, basin dahil ilang image of you sa
Oh,
ilang head and then
yeah, and then lang I think it's a good thing nga kanang wala na ka ba ang saingan pero yeah. It's like that. Yeah.
no, yeah, I think that's why um I expressed it like and what like I became like comfortable with expressing it like on social media, posting like LGBT content, and then like I guess of course na ako like I felt the need to like tell you guys at some point.
Mm.
Pero like I actually like pag grade 8, that's when I started telling my friends
Mm.
na like, oh, I think like I am part of the LGBT. I think kuan pa ganito na like, oh, I think I am bisexual. Bisexual?
oh,
No, I think mao dyan na siya ang kanang ang sitawag
Transition.
din. Yeah,
sure.
like oh, bisexual or pansexual, and then like oh, I'm actually I'm I think I'm just gay. Um, yeah, pero where was I going with this?
Yeah,
So
but
I told my friends eighth
mm.
grade, and then like I don't think I like I would say I started being expressive about it. I think like wala lang like I was just posting or whatever. I guess you could say that I was being expressive about it. Pero I guess like 2020, when was 2020? I think mao nang time na I was like talking to people and like go like dating, I think people. So, Mona, I felt the need to like tell you guys and like I guess
All right, right.
and open up and whatever. Yeah.
So how did it feel nga ka na after you came out, and then is it like now from then till now, like do you feel more yourself? How does it feel compared to before you sort of came out, or more you were more
Yeah.
comfortable with expressing yourself?
Super relieving jud siya. Kay I think like I know growing up kay I think I was so like this side of me, like I was so kept to myself. Like I know na like we
Yeah,
wouldn't.
maybe that's why we weren't really super close. Like
Yeah, that's
close to
what
my siblings,
hindered
but
our kuan jud kay.
yeah, but yeah, I felt like there was like a wall. You were always like
Barrier.
so sassy. Oh my goodness, the sassiest
Yeah.
mall. Yeah,
Yeah, defense mechanism.
yeah.
No, mao jud na siya ang kuan. I think that was like what kuan jud stop
Mm,
our ano
mm.
From
this
being close.
Yeah, and
this
then
great
when you told us,
siblinghood.
it sort of kind of freed everything. Like we were more open na, and then we got closer. You're
Mm.
and makashare na ka with everything, and then the same na atong we're na ni align na sad no nga we're nagka-same na atong mga interest. I mean even before same na atong mga interest, but like even more so now. And then
Oh, I wanna add the sibling tattoo that we have.
oh yeah.
Where is it?
Show. Oh, at the back. You can't see
Yeah.
it.
So
It's the
cool. So we
koan.
got a sibling
Insert photo
tattoo.
reference.
Yeah.
Yes.
When Dane came here.
And it was my first ever
Yeah.
tattoo. Crazy.
Yeah. It's so cute, no? It's like it's actually from a Matisse painting. It's called, I think, like La Dance or something. But basically, like, it's so cute because there's like five people holding hands,
And
dancing.
there's Risey
Because we're five now, we're five siblings.
and Heart Shop.
Yeah, it's so cute. Like, and then, like, when we were trying to figure out what tattoo to get, same tawag suggestion nga kani. Like, we didn't even have
It was
to.
crazy
No,
na.
nagkasinabot yun nga. Oh, there's this kanang painting nga kung nga five. So, di ba? Meant to be. What's like the latest stitch? Anything you want to share? Nga more update or like
Yeah.
plans? What are you manifesting? Anything like that?
Where am I? Ano? We're manifesting another PH trip, of
Oh,
course.
yes. Lord, please lang.
Um,
Dapat lang, sis.
Where do you want to go? Where do you
2027.
want to go?
Sure go this time.
Siargao!
Yeah. What else? I don't know, you guys.
That's fine. Ano, that's already like a big thing.
Yeah, and then one thing today ako na-learn from Dane, like, um, you take everything as it comes. Like, kanang, wala kay marag, ay mo go with the flow, rin ka sa life ba? So, dili kayo burden yung to make decision. Kay kung, unsay, ba, like, unsay ihatag sa life nimo kay, I'll take it. And then, we'll live with it rigid ka. So, that's amazing. As in, ako na siya gi-keep nga, quote from you.
Yeah.
What ba tayong gingon day? Take it as it comes? Yeah, I think what I'm
Yeah.
It's so true.
I just take
though.
it as it is.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
We're someone nga kanang always, like, dagan di ko ma-learn from my siblings. Kaya obviously different na itong mga experiences, although same na itong experience, but also in different, in a sense of like birth order and stuff. So, like, I dagan ko na learn, like even as an adult, like, I have to kanang ako apply ang wisdom ni Jess sa ang kanang funny day go with the flowness like funny kanang kana kanang passion and action and Risey's cuteness and
Risey, Demon Hunter.
yeah, dance moves. That Risey's so good. But yeah, I guess anything else you wanna ask or tell the Ruby?
Actually, I'm just an audience here. Ngayon ako pa ginawin.
Yeah, ako sandali nga sabi na ni Ruby.
But yeah, so happy nga ka na current in this season sa mong life baka you're finally choosing you.
Mhm.
Like ang mohang path now kay based
Yeah.
on your choices ba dili na siya murag
yeah,
handed it to you if you know what I mean.
definitely.
Like imo nang gi-carve out imong path for yourself.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
That's like what I always say, and I want to apply to myself, pero like more so because you have the privilege to do this. Okay, mas dagan opportunities for you out
Yeah.
there.
Na
Kumurag-
American citizens.
Oh, kana bitong you can really live 1,000 lives, good. You can have so many experiences. Like dili ra jud kailangan one thing ka, and then you have to stick to that. But yeah, pwede ra gyud. Na
You
jud
can
ka
be
na-
everything you want.
everything everywhere all at once.
All at once.
Yeah, so I'm so excited for what's to come. And then excited good for you to come here. We have to go to Siargao.
Me
Because you have to be at
too.
the wedding. Please lang.
Wedding.
Oh my gosh.
Wedding era.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Juby. And then it's your bedtime na. What time is it
I
there?
know it's late. Thank you for
Yeah.
having me. Thank you for
Thank
having
Thank
me.
you so much, Jube.
Take
Bye.
care.
Have a great
Bye.
Bye.
sweet dreams.
Have a good day.
Bye.